everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into dip powders from Valkyrie Dips on a set of press-ons today on the shape Short Coffin. This is definitely my go-to shape. We're also using dip liquids, so we are not using any gels for this set. We're going to start off with Harmony, which is the perfect name for this color because it's soft, it's beautiful. So it's in like the light pink family, but yet it pulls a little bit nude. And then it has the most like delicate shimmer to it. It is really pretty, and if you love like those pinkies with a little bit of like that neutral nudeness to it, this color right here is going to be for you. So check out that first coat here. We are working with dip liquids today, and that coverage is just amazing with that first coat here. So even though we are using dip liquids, I still am gently pressing everything down. That is like the rule of thumb for me when I'm making press-ons. I learned this along the way, that you just really need to make sure that you are taking that time just to press everything down so just everything can kind of take shape with that nail. Otherwise, you're going to have a lot of bulk and buildup. Yes, you can go ahead and remove some of that bulk during filing and buffing, but that is going to take you a little bit of time to remove that bulk. So to help reduce that problem, I just make sure I spend time pressing everything down. And another key factor to help reduce bulk when it comes to press-ons is making sure you're doing very, very thin layers of your dip base, or if you're doing the gel method, making sure you have a very thin consistency when it comes to gels as well. Those are the key factors that's really going to help you make sure that when you are dipping, making a set of press-ons, that everything is just forming to the nail and not giving you like any of the like bulk factor. I do get a lot of questions asking how to reduce the bulk, and those are definitely my key points. And I will say for me personally, like right after the cuticle line where that nail kind of curves down, that's where I tend to hold a lot of the bulk when I'm making a press-on. So I'll just make sure that I'm really focusing on those areas. But it did take me quite a while to get the hang of making press-ons. So if you are just starting, do not give up. It does take a little bit of practice. And even though I make press-ons, I make about 2 to 3 sets a day, I still am learning as we go and coming up with new ways to make that press-on kind of look more natural to the nail. But it's overall a really, really fun process. But again, practice makes perfect, and just making sure everything is laying super flat and having very thin layers of your liquids will definitely help you. All right, so we're just finishing up Harmony here. We're gonna do 2 coats of each color today. So enough chit chat. We've been doing a lot of chit chat here in the last couple of videos, so I thought today we would take some time, just sit back and watch these beautiful colors in action. And then I'm gonna pop back in at the end with my final thoughts.
Trees aren't green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows to capturing. I know must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise. I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know I can't make it through. Every night it's the same. I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know all of my problems. I know. Where did it go? The feeling of thirst, desire to be a rock in my heels. I'm numb as a poison, flows in my veins. Guess I got used to avoiding the pain. I know must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise. I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know I can't make it through. Every night it's the same. I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know all of my problems. I know. Maybe I need a break. Maybe that's why I fade into this bitter taste. I think I'll let it be.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up.
Alright, so we're just wrapping up that second layer of the top coat. I did the rest of the top coat off camera, and here's the finished mani. This color combination is everything. It's soft, it's delicate, but yet you still have like that pop of darkness shining through. This is like the perfect, if you're not into like bright colors for summer, this is kind of giving me summer vibes, like throwing on a jean jacket and you are good to go, but very pretty. That blue, it is everything. It has like the most beautiful shimmer. I love how it gives that nail some dimension as well. But these powders were super easy to work with. They're very finely milled, and I got great coverage with the dip liquids, and that chunky glitter that we worked with too in that middle nail. Everything laid so flat and just came together perfectly, and I'm loving this color palette right here. And everything that we did use in today's video can be found in that description box below. I hope you enjoyed today's Simple Mani. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next one.